Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A 20-pound turkey is not too big to smoke, but it requires careful planning. For successful smoking, ensure your smoker can accommodate the size, both in terms of physical space and weight capacity. It's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature between 225 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and plan for a longer cooking time, typically 30 to 40 minutes per pound. Utilize a meat thermometer to verify the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Patience is key. Larger birds can take up to 12 hours or more to smoke properly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.